Hello class, my name is Christopher Rockwell. This is my week 3, project 3 video review for ASD 1301. Going into this week I was really excited uh, to learn that we were going to be incorporating cloud within our apps. I have noticed the term cloud being used quite a bit in technology, and I had no idea going into this program we would actually be covering cloud at all. And I do see the benefits of using it, because it's been the primary storage for people's music, photos, videos. It's pretty much anything you can think of is pretty much somewhere in somebody's cloud. Because memory fails, solid state drives and whatnot fry, but for the most part, the cloud pretty much can keep your data forever. And I think people are realizing that, and not only that aspect, but as well as, for instance, cloud on my iPhone and my MacBook, I'm able to view the same files in two different places and have it update everywhere, instead of having to write it down and copy it on a flash drive and move it around. You can kind of have it, without having to go through that copying and paste and make sure you have it, that process of that. But to go into the project, I didn't really have many problems incorporating CouchDB. What I did is I used a technique I kind of started using during VFW, where I would simply just watch all the videos and listen to all the concepts, because I used to try to watch the videos and work while watching, and it's kind of really confusing. And then I might get the task accomplished, but I wouldn't really know the terms and concepts because I was too busy trying to work along with the video. So what I did, I just went through and watched every video, got all the concepts, and kind of knew what we were trying to incorporate and what we were kind of trying to do. And then I went in and added all the features and hop back on the video if I needed a little help, and then go back and incorporate it, which made it a lot easier and helped me learn the concepts a lot better. So I just used the same method from VFW as I've used in SDI and different things like that, and just brought it in to ASD. But I did have a minor problem with Cloud Amp, and what it was is, I noticed in the video where we were generating, Rick was generating the API key in order to incorporate, to move the database onto the server, the Cloud Amp server. And what I didn't do at first was go through and check, read, create, and write in order to move that data. So I was sitting there trying to push the data, and I didn't have that check, so I didn't have the permissions to do so. So I wasn't getting nothing. So at first I thought it was my URL or the wrong username or password, but I soon found out by going back and looking at the video that I didn't have these 3 check boxes checked. So I had to go back and fix that. And after I did that, I knocked it out. But it was kind of a bit tedious to upload all my files, all my images and stuff into the design app here. We had to go through and attach each single file. I kind of wish that Cloud Amp had a way where you can just grab a big folder full of everything and kind of do that, which hopefully it'll incorporate it one day, but that wasn't too bad. It's just I thought they'd have a different method of doing that. But the way my app works is I just put everything into the add items, and you just hit couch, and it goes and grabs all the data. I have 5 different items in my couch data that it goes out and grabs. So I thought that was pretty neat the way Couch works, and I can see Couch being very useful, especially with an app like mine. 16 gigabytes is not a lot of memory anymore. Like, my iPhone has 16 gigabytes, so for me to store data, require users to store data on their devices, could kind of be a downfall, because you have music on there, images, videos, and I would rather have an app that stores in the cloud and pulls from the cloud That way, I'm not requiring users to have too much data and punishing them almost for having more files and utilizing your app the way it was made to be utilized. So I can see cloud definitely being a major part in the future of app development, and I can see myself really finding great use using cloud. And I'm really glad that we used it in the couch database. I'm really glad that we're learning these concepts. So I really enjoyed this week. I learned a lot. I hope you all learned a lot too. And I'm very thankful to be taught this in this program, and really I feel like we're moving along with where technology is right now. And I'm very excited to see what's in store for the rest of this program. And I hope you all enjoyed the video. You all have a great night and a great day and a great rest of the program. And I'll talk to you all later.